When you're planning to replace a screen on a Samsung phone, aftermarket OLEDs appear to be the most cost-effective choice. However, many wonder, how are these screens actually manufactured? And is the quality truly reliable? First, the OLED screen structure must be understood. An OLED consists of a display panel, FPC, front glass, back sticker, fingerprint module, and frame. How are they actually assembled? Today, REWA takes you inside its manufacturing facility to witness the birth of high-standard aftermarket screens. Inspected glass undergoes automated polarizer lamination. High-precision vision systems keep tolerances within 0.1 millimeters. Next is primary bonding, integrating the driver IC and glass panel. The bonding area is treated with alcohol wipes and plasma cleaning. An automated dispenser applies anisotropic conductive film precisely to the bottom of the panel. The driver IC is then positioned onto the panel. HD cameras identify and align components to ensure ultimate precision. Control temperature and pressure are applied to pre-secure the driver IC to the glass. This leads to secondary bonding, connecting the FPC to the display panel. Similar to the IC bonding, FPC contact points undergo plasma cleaning and ACF application. The FPC and panel are precisely aligned and permanently pressed together. After the FPC is pre-installed, it still needs extra protection. Antioxidant adhesive is applied to both sides for long-term durability. Once bonding is complete, a manual full inspection is performed. The panel is powered on for touch response testing. Any defect results in immediate rejection. Next, the display goes through laser cutting. High-precision lasers perform profile cutting for accurate camera holes and corner curves. One-to-one mold accuracy ensures sensor sensitivity and a seamless fit within the frame. This process guarantees that the camera punch hole and viewing window perfectly match original specifications. Entering the vacuum lamination cleanroom. Zero dust between the glass and panel is critical. Before entering the line, the front glass undergoes high-intensity light scattering inspection. Microscopic stains or scratches are intercepted at this stage. Following inspection, OCA is automatically applied. Then, follows the automated lamination process. Using a suction cup, the worker places the screen on the mold and removes the protective films from the display and the glass. Vacuum cups precisely grip and align for a perfect fit. The screen is then prepared for the autoclaving process to remove micro bubbles. A manual inspection is performed to ensure a tight fit and no trapped bubbles. The screens are then placed into the autoclave for final bubble removal. Once bubble removal completed, the screens are ready for back sticker application. Robotic arms are then used to apply the screen back stickers. Automated pressing ensures the back sticker is firmly secured. Following this, the FPC is positioned and secured. Adhesive is first applied to the FPC. Then, the FPC is secured onto the back sticker. Automated laminators wind the FPC along a preset path to avoid stress damage. Protective film is applied to the exposed sections of the FPC. A comprehensive touch function test is conducted to ensure zero dead zones or ghost touches. A verified FPC assembly is essential before proceeding to the next stage. Zero bubbles and full functionality are the baseline for REWA screens. Given the importance of biometric security, the fingerprint module is installed next. Optical adhesive is applied evenly, for seamless OLED coupling. The module must be aligned precisely, within the preset window. Before installing the frame, the fingerprint and S Pen functions must be tested again. Then we move on to the frame assembly. Frame assembly uses automated dispensing, following the original trajectory, for precise volume control. This improves sealing, and ensures a flush fit with the body. The final protective film is applied, to complete the assembly. Fourth, REWA test. Factory certification is only the start of REWA's curation system. After leaving the production line, every batch undergoes secondary full-scale testing, in REWA's independent laboratory. Only screens passing this verification receive the REWA seal of approval. We don't just curate products, we are here to empower your repair business.